2. Last time I accidentally got out of it and it was wrong. Kevin, where are you? Kevin the boy. Brown hair, where are you? Kevin. I need to go get him.
My name is Mr. Froggy. Yeah. My name is Mr. Froggy.
Mr. Froggy, can we count?
Huh?
You
can play blocks.
We're waiting for Naomi. Naomi. One more block.
Hello, my name is Kevin.
Oh, that's
I'm the best guy ever. Haha, you fell.
You're so mean, Kevin. That's my spot. Where's it on?
Sorry.
I have French fries.
My name is Kevin. My name is Kevin. I'm the best. I'm the best ever. You should watch my videos. I'm so better.
His name is Froggy Vlog.
Better.
Froggy.
Hello.
You slime.
My name is Mr. Foggy. Hello.
You have to watch them make
So
slime.
make slime.
I wasn't expecting a lot of people, but this is part 2. His part 1, I accidentally logged out, and it's the worst
Hello.
thing ever.
Hello, I'm Mr. Foggy.
Yeah, make it.
I want to make slime now. Me too.
I have a chair.
I want to make slime now, Auntie. I want to make slime now. Guys. I want to make slime now, Auntie.
Put that in.
She calls me Auntie. Oh my
My
god.
name is Mr. Foggy.
Mr. Froggy, I have a question for you.
Cheese.
Are you sick?
No.
My hand is so icky. I don't want to touch it. Are you sick, Mr. Froggy?
No, I'm not sick.
But
I'm not
you're
sick,
green.
Mr. Foggy.
You're green, and that's bad, right?
No.
I
I'm amphibious.
What's that mean? Are you poisonous? Because don't touch me, you're poisonous. Don't touch me either. I could hear you, Mr. Froggy.
I don't care.
Mommy,
Why you bullying me?
Oh, by the way, that little girl saying, I want to make slime. By the way, hey, my vlog. You ruined my vlog. Hey, the person.
My name is Kevin. Watch my videos, okay?
No, don't watch his videos. It's,
Okay. Okay, watch my videos. Watch my videos.
don't watch his videos. Mommy.
Watch my videos.
I want to watch his videos. Don't make slime. That girl's pouting over there.
My name is Mr.
Okay, so
Foggy.
remember from part 1, I made a slime? This is how it turns out. Ew.
Well, you guys actually made slime.
Of course we did, Kevin. You weren't in this video last time.
My name is Mr. Foggy. Oh. Watch my videos, okay?
I want to make slime.
Is that Mr. Foggy? Watch my videos.
Now.
Watch my videos. Watch my
Get out, Mr. Froggy.
Satisfied.
They used all the stuff already.
Hello, darkness, my
I'm gonna
old
go buy
friend.
Is that Sam?
Yeah. No.
Remember
Stop it! Hey! Naomi! Sorry, Ara. You can't make slime today, Ara. Oh, by the way, that's my friend Ara. And there's Abley.
I'm going to vlog. I'm Mr. Foggy, okay?
That's his vlog. Bill! You're supposed to mix it. This is my... I'll touch your slime.
So
Kevin.
Never.
Yeah, this is our
Really?
video. Mommy, we want to make slime. This is our video, not your video. You have your own video to make.
Can't press
I
the
just-
button.
Ours is on Christmas theme. Mommy.
No. No.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
the worst Christmas thing ever.
Christmas
Theme.
theme. That's why you have the flooring.
Watch my videos. Watch my videos, okay?
So many bubbles. Don't watch it. No.
My name is Kevin. My name is Mr. Froggy.
You usually put Kevin in a detergent.
My name is Mr. Froggy. Oh.
Okay, so for more information, Kevin couldn't got in because he had to go take a bath with his little sister. His little sister's name is Nala.
Can I have a chair? Can I have a chair, please? Please.
You can see on the.
Please.
That's a tiny chair.
You're so mean.
Mr. Froggy, you're not in this video. You don't get chair.
What?
Okay, write in the comment down. Get out here, Mr. Froggy. Get out. There's so much. So down in the comments below, write something. Write something in the comments below if you like frogs.
Yay! Whoever likes frogs, this can be awesome. Awesome.
Can you get Ari?
If you don't like frogs, that's okay. You're still awesome. Bye.
You can get some
Oh
out.
no! I knocked down the blocks. I'm gonna fall. Like and subscribe, okay? Bye.